That was a good lunch. I just had supreme nachos, sliced peaches, and a bottle of milk for lunch today. Now I'm going to get myself a snack from the student vending machine. There's the student vending machine. Let me get my money. All right, now that I got my money, I'll put my money in the student vending machine now. I think I'll have a bag of Lay's Kettle jalapeno chips. What? Are you freaking kidding me? I just pressed C2 on the vending machine for my Lay's Kettle jalapeno chips, then my Lay's Kettle jalapeno chips was coming, and now it's living on the edge on C2, and it's stuck. I want my Lay's Kettle jalapeno chips. Come on, you stupid vending machine. Give me my Lay's Kettle jalapeno chips. Give me what I want right now. Take this, you stupid machine. Ouch. My hand. That does it. If this machine's not gonna give me my Lay's Kettle jalapeno chips, then I'll have to break it by running and kicking it. Okay, vending machine. You're going down. It's kid bug time. Take that, you stupid machine. You want some of that? This is what you get for not giving me Lay's Kettle jalapeno chips. Now to get my Lay's Kettle jalapeno chips out of the machine. Got it. I finally got my Lay's Kettle jalapeno chips.
Hey, Yosemite Sam. What was that noise? I thought I heard a loud noise going on. Yosemite Sam. What you have done to the student vending machine. Tell me the truth. Do not lie to me.
Well, you are not gonna like it when I tell you this. I broke the student vending machine because the Lay's Kettle jalapeno chips was stuck on the edge of C2.
Oh, my God. Yosemite Sam. I can't believe you broke the student vending machine. Do you even know how much that student vending machine costed? It costed $5,960. What do you have to say for yourself?
I'm sorry, Mr. Rogers.
Sorry doesn't fix the vending machine. And it's not going to cut it. And thanks to you, we now have to get a new student vending machine because of you breaking it. That's it. Go to the principal's office right now. Oh, and before you go, for breaking the student vending machine, give me the bag of Lay's Kettle jalapeno chips. Even though you paid for it on the student vending machine, give them to me right now. And no more vending machines for you until you learn that it's not cool to break vending machines.
Okay, fine.
So, Yosemite Sam, why are you here?
I broke the student vending machine while I was trying to get my Lay's Kettle jalapeno chips.
Oh my God. Yosemite Sam, are you crazy? I can't believe you broke the student vending machine while you were trying to get Lay's Kettle jalapeno chips. That student vending machine costed $5,960. Now we have to get the school a new student vending machine. Thanks to you. That's it. You're suspended for 2 weeks. Go home now.
Yosemite sang. I just got off the phone with your principal. He told that you broke the student vending machine while you were trying to get Lay's kettle gelatinous chips. The student vending machine costed $5,960. Thanks a lot, Yosemite sang. Now the school has to get a new student vending machine to replace the one you just broke. That's it. You are grounded until your 2-week school suspension is over. Go to your room right now.
Well.